I'm Tian Strayer from Centre 360 and welcome here at Nampo. We always enjoy the people coming in the market and their questions are asked. These days it does make a lot of sense not to run around and try and manage your systems. If you have it in your cell phone like we do everything else these days, it does make it more convenient but also more effective in farming. You know exactly when it's running, you know whether it's in position on the field, and even at the evenings or night time you can control it. And the other beautiful thing is if you do water scheduling and you have readings from your probes, you can always take that information and pre-program the pivot to start running at a certain period of time, complete the cycle and start up at a different time. So there's a lot of opportunities in that, and it is standard on our pivots. The only part that you actually buy when you want communication is the communicator unit. When we sell, we provide full services to back that up. Apart from the fact that we've got an extremely reliable product, in the control boxes it's very well protected, and we have spent more money to maybe build a little bit more expensive control system, but it's so easy because it's a loose plug-in relay that can be replaced instead of a control circuit that's maybe been damaged. After sales service in terms of repairing machines, if there's a break, we have people in every part and nook and cranny of the country and even north in Africa that we have trained. We've been training regularly and building the infrastructure with these guys by using local electricians and qualifying them and empowering them to do the maintenance. It's much quicker. It's the guys that the farmers use, and we have quite a lot of those in the field out there. But the nice thing is we've got a cell number. You will find that on our website, and that cell number will always answer a telephone number. You may test that. And we've also got someone that's specializing in client services, and one call, Saturdays, Sundays, anytime, you'll get reaction.